Hello and welcome to Rentio Toor Dal videos. I am Chef Shivani Mehta. Today's recipe is Indian version of ravioli. Can you guess that? It's dal dhokli. Sometimes people make it with leftover tur dal also, but we are going to make it fresh. So let's start making this yummy-licious recipe now. Have one more recipe in your list to make on a Sunday noon. This is a perfect recipe for your brunch. Please try this recipe and do let us know how did you like it. Also, don't forget to follow Also, don't forget to follow our social media pages of Rentio Toor Dal. Thanks for being with us.